Yet another accident, but this one is definitely not my fault. This lady claims I backed into her, but hopefully this video will prove her wrong. Could this be Oscar's mom? I wanted to show her entire car to make sure that she can't say that she was rear-ended as well. So there you have it. This can't be real. I just moved out of my grandparents' house fully, went to the storage unit near my bank, over there on Bestgate Road, and now I got hit again, not even in my car. And a friend of mine's mom's car. She was nice enough to let me borrow, but she loves this car. And I promised her I'd be super careful, drove the speed limit every time, cruise control 1 mile below, and was very safe. And I'm driving back to her house to take it back, about to top off the gas tank, and look what happens. My back is killing me yet again. I can barely stand. My right foot's going numb. This can't get any worse. Oh my God. I think I'm cursed. I think I have to move to New York or something. Just ride the subway. Oh man. So I was backing out and I fully stopped. My foot was on the brake. So I'm already at this angle facing that way. And I'm on the brakes, so my taillights are on and I'm shifting into drive, about to go forward, and that's when I got hit. That's where the AC was. Compressor was draining a little bit before I moved into this parking spot again. But, oh man. This can't get any worse. One more important thing to note is that after she hit me, she immediately backed up into here. Or maybe that was when she whipped the steering wheel to the right to get away from hitting me directly on. But if you look here, she immediately backed then into here and went up on the median. She definitely went up on the median. And if memory serves, there's a camera right there. Yep. They should be able to tell. It's pointed mostly towards this direction, but it'll certainly show that she did go up on the median. But let me go inside and see what else they have. So these are just the rest of the pictures that I have. I sent them all to the insurance in order. The owner's insurance and my insurance both say that the accident's not my fault. But the other driver's insurance, the one who hit me, they're contesting that. I went inside to speak to the manager, and apparently they only release their videotape recording if there's an actual court case. In accidents, especially ones like these, very rarely go to trial. So unfortunately, it's up for the insurance to decide. I just want to make things right for Miss Tony, who let me borrow her car. And without her help, I wouldn't have been able to move out of my grandparents' house on time. But you can see here the lady was driving erratic. She backed up over the curb. Clearly wasn't in the right state of mind. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry to show yet another accident, but just be safe out there, guys. People are crazy.